Hey there, I'm Jonathan. I'm going to show you the difference between pages and posts and on WordPress.com and show you how to create each of them. So first thing we'll do is we'll sign into our blog that we've already created. And we'll see the first thing that comes up here is this WordPress page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my blog dashboard. The dashboard is like a quick view into everything you can do with your blog and any blogs that you have. So I might as well go over it really quickly. First thing that we notice is the screen options here on the top right. They let you easily show different things on your dashboard. For example, if we look here at the Right Now box, I can get rid of it very easily by clicking on the checkmark beside Right Now, and all of a sudden it's gone, no longer there. But the Right Now box is really handy, so we don't want to do that. Next thing we want to do is we want to see all of our posts that we've created. So there are posts and there are pages. If we bring up our blog in a new tab just by clicking on my blog, I have a view of what my blog actually looks like to the outside world. So I see that I have two tabs across the top, Home and About. These are called pages in WordPress. I also see that I have one post here, which is called Hello World, and that's all. And I also have all of these fancy things on the side, but we don't need to worry about those for now. So if I go back to my other tab, I can click down the side here and I look at my pages. What we're going to see is that I have only one page. It's About, which corresponds to what we just saw here. There's only About. Home is default. It doesn't show up. Everybody has a home. So let's add a new one. Add a new page. We'll call it Assignments. And I'll just put in some bleep blurps here. Bleep blurp. Okay. And then I will publish this page. So once this is done spinning around, it says, yep, okay, we've added it. And I'll go back to my blog. Whoopsie daisy. I'll have to reopen it, so I'll just right-click and say Open a New Tab. And now we see, hey, there's another page across the top, Assignments. And if I click on that, it shows me, hey, there's bleep blurp. That's the text that I put in. Super. So that's a page. Now, what we need to do is we need to create a new post. So if we go back to our dashboard, we see that there's another thing down the side here called Posts. I'll click on that, and I see I have one draft, which isn't published, which means it's not viewable by the public. And then I've got this other thing called Hello World, which is created by default when I create my blog. That looks really unprofessional, so I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to put it in the trash by clicking on Trash here. Ta-da, all gone. Now what I want to do is I want to make a new post. I can either do that by clicking Add New beside Posts, or hovering over my blog and going to New Post. So I'll do that. I'll say New Post. And I'll say this is a test post. Okay. Testing, 1, 2, 3. And then instead of publishing it, I'm just going to go to Save Draft to show you the difference between publishing and saving a draft. So now that I've saved the draft, I go back to my blog and I'll refresh it. And what do we have here? Oh, sorry, but you're looking for something that isn't here, as in there are no posts made to my blog. So if I go back to my posts and I hit Publish now on my post, my test post, and it says, okay, post published. Here we go. I could either click here and view the post, or I'll just go back to my other tab and I'll refresh. And now we see, hey, there is my test post. This is a test post, testing, 1, 2, 3. And it shows up right here. Now if I click on this, the heading for my post, it shows only this post, as opposed to on my main page it would show a number of posts if I had them. And it shows here, this is the URL for this post. So if I were submitting it, for example, I would copy and paste this into a Word document and then submit it through Pair. Okay, so hopefully that helps you out, and good luck. Just explore WordPress a little bit. There's all sorts of neat stuff that you can do, and it's fun to customize your blog. So have a good time. All right, take care.